When you search for fire escape ladders, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, and honestly, it can get really confusing. But to find what really works for your safety, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Kita 2-Story Fire Escape Ladder. First up, we have the Kita Fire Escape Ladder. This model extends to 13 feet and is priced at $53.99. What caught my eye here is that it's a bestseller with a solid 4.7-star rating from over 21,000 reviews. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use ladder for quick exits, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's talk about what makes this ladder stand out. It attaches quickly to most common windows, so if you live in a typical home, you're covered. The anti-slip rungs mean you won't be slipping and sliding on your descent, which is a huge plus during an emergency. Plus, it can support up to 1,000 pounds, so it's sturdy enough for most situations. And with a tangle-free design, you can deploy it fast when seconds count. This ladder also comes with a 5-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. But I'll be real with you. Some users mentioned that it's single-use only, meaning once you deploy it, you can't use it again. Here's the thing though. In an emergency, would you rather have a one-time use ladder that works perfectly or a multi-use ladder that might fail? If you're serious about safety, that's a gamble you probably don't want to take. This is perfect for you if you live in a 2-story home and need a reliable escape plan. Skip this one if you're looking for something reusable or overly complicated. For the price, it offers great value for your peace of mind. Now, if that single-use factor bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kita 3-Story Fire Escape Ladder. Next is another Kita model, this time the 3-story fire escape ladder. Priced at $85.97, it extends to 25 feet and carries the same stellar 4.7-star rating. If you want a ladder that can handle taller buildings, this is definitely worth considering. The standout feature here is its length. At 25 feet, it's perfect for those living in 3-story homes, a crucial factor if you need to escape from a higher floor. Like its 2-story counterpart, it attaches easily to most windows and has the same anti-slip rungs for safe descents. It's also flame-resistant and tested to support up to 1,000 pounds. In an emergency, that stability can be a lifesaver. However, some users complained it could be a bit bulky to store, especially compared to smaller ladders. But here's the thing. When it comes to safety, having a sturdy, reliable ladder is more important than saving a little space. This is ideal for you if you live in a 3-story home and need an effective escape plan. But if you're looking for something compact and easy to hide, this might not be your best option. Still, for the safety it provides, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for compact storage. Product number 3, Haas 2-Story Fire Escape Ladder. Now we have the Haas retractable 2-story fire escape ladder. This one is priced at $59.84 and extends to 13 feet. It has a 4.6-star rating and over 1,500 reviews make it a popular choice. If you're looking for something easy to store, this is definitely worth a look. The retractable design is a game changer. It hooks securely to your window frame and won't slip off, which means you can deploy it quickly when you need it most. Plus, you don't need any tools or assembly, making it super user-friendly. It's also tested for 1,000 pounds, so you know it's strong enough for emergency use. And the included canvas bag makes it easy to keep tucked away under a bed or near a window. No more bulky storage issues. But I did notice some users mentioned needing to replace it every 3 years. Here's the thing though, that's a small price to pay for maintaining your safety. If you're diligent about checking your safety gear, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for those who want an easy-to-store option that doesn't compromise on safety. Skip this if you prefer a more permanent solution or are looking for something for a higher floor. For its price and convenience, it represents great value. Now, if that maintenance concern doesn't sit well with you, the next product offers a more durable alternative. Product number 4, Haas 3-Story Fire Escape Ladder. Next up, we have a Haas retractable 3-story fire escape ladder priced at $89.99. It extends to 25 feet and has a solid 4.6-star rating. If you need a ladder that can reach higher stories while still being easy to use, this is definitely worth considering. Just like the 2-story model, this one has the retractable design, which means it's easy to deploy and store. It can attach securely to your window frame, giving you confidence when you need to escape. It also supports up to 1,000 pounds, ensuring safety during your descent. The slip-resistant rungs add an extra layer of security, which is crucial in emergencies. This ladder is designed for fast deployment and comes with a durable red canvas bag for convenient storage. However, some users found it a bit heavy, especially when fully extended. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. That added weight contributes to its durability and stability, which are crucial during an emergency. This is perfect for families living in 3-story homes who want a dependable escape solution. Skip this if you need something lightweight or overly compact. For the safety it offers, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a strong contender. But the last option on our list brings a different approach altogether. Product number 5. First Alert 2-story fire escape ladder. Finally, we have the First Alert 2-story fire escape ladder, which goes for $57.99. This ladder is 14 feet long and has a solid 4.7 star rating. If you want a more traditional ladder option, this one might fit your needs. This ladder is made from durable steel and nylon, giving it a sturdy feel. It's designed for windowsills between 6 to 10 inches wide, which covers many typical home setups. The steel stabilizers hold the ladder away from the wall, allowing for easy access when you need to escape quickly. Plus, it comes fully assembled. No fumbling with parts in an emergency. It's tested to support 375 pounds, which is decent for most situations. However, I did see some reviews mentioning that it might not be as flexible for wider windows. But here's the thing. If your windows fit the specified dimensions, this ladder is a great option for a quick exit. This is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, straightforward escape ladder for a 2-story home. Skip this if you have wider windows or are looking for a multi-story option. For the price, it's a solid buy for peace of mind. To wrap things up, we explored 5 solid fire escape ladders. The kitted 2-story and 3-story models, both great for their specific height needs. The Haas 2-story and 3-story versions offering easy storage, and the First Alert ladder for those seeking a more traditional design. Choosing the right ladder is all about your specific needs and safety requirements. Stay safe out there.